how to use promo codes in Polybuzz AI. So first of all, you can do this directly in your website or the app version, but it's much better to do it here in the app. So once you're here, you can just log into whichever account you want to use a code on, and then go to the top right corner from your profile, which should just be your settings. In your settings, you're gonna have to go to the promo code section right below your account, and here you'll be able to see some features like Ultimate Premium, already basic stuff, but here you're gonna press on the please enter the promo code option. Then just type in your promo code and press an OK, and you should be able to use your promo code in Polybuzz AI. So that's pretty much how you use promo codes in this app. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.